Why are you using cryptocurrency as a mechanism to try and change your future? I started cryptocurrency in 2020. I looked at Bitcoin in 2020. My background is financial services. I've spent 20 years building portfolios, risk management, diversification. That's my bag. And outside of crypto, they call me one thing, cautious Keith. So why the hell did I get into a volatile space that they call cryptocurrency, where you're going right from the bottom of the risk curve, right to the top of the risk curve as far as you can go with these digital assets? So I started looking at Bitcoin in 2020. In 2020, what was happening? Money was printing. What was happening? Our value of our currency was getting less and less and less. What did that mean? People that had savings didn't have as much spending power. That was because of inflation. That's where I first started understanding inflation. And that's where I started understanding deflation, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's got the deflationary mechanism built in, which offsets any kind of inflation. That's why they call it a store of value. And that's why they call it a hedge against inflation. This is the first thing that piqued my interest. I understood the thing that I was saving within these portfolios that I've been building for 20 years are losing value and losing value and losing value. Now, if I'd have held that portfolio and put that into Bitcoin in the last 20 years, or the last 15 years, even since Bitcoin incepted, what would have happened? I'd probably be a multi-billionaire by now. So something wasn't right. This thing that I was saving within a portfolio was losing value over time. It wasn't increasing as far as monetary power is concerned. But then this one thing that people were putting a little bit of money in was increasing in value. And that's what piqued my interest. That's when I started trading, early 2021, intensively, guys. One thing about me, I've got compulsive, obsessive traits. I've got ADHD, and when I start learning something, I don't stop. Every single day, I try and learn something, and I'm going to continue to do that every single day. Now, cryptocurrency, that was always the mechanism. It's high risk. It needs to be treated as high risk. But I understood that people were flowing into it. Transactional value was happening on chains. People were moving into these digital assets, and they were using the network